I almost died today, or over the weekend, wine drunk. Anyway, I gotta do this fast because we got work we gotta do. But Mike's here, Evan's here. He got a drill. He's doing things.
Three amigos.
Yeah, this is all we got here. So, yep. Concrete is on its way. Morning. Concrete's on its way. We're gonna order back over this. So we're gonna have fun today. But I gotta go work because concrete's a coming. This one I can't talk for long. This concrete's on its way. Mike's over here. Now I'm getting a phone call. See how hard this is. Hello. All right, this is try number 3, Mindy. Okay, telling you what we're doing. Concrete's on its way. It's coming early. We got a little tiny spot to rock in. Whacker, put wire in it. Just tidy everything up. So I can't talk to you people for a long time because crucial moments, everybody all hands on deck type thing. So you will see us when concrete gets here. Good. All right, concrete's here. Mike's moving slow as usual. Aren't you, Mikey? Look, he tried to trip me. He set up a death trap for me. Mike's not talking. He's not talking. We're all getting down and diggity. Doug's playing around with stakes. So we'll see you when we get kind of poured out a little bit. People. So we got done with this. Set that up. We got that so we can bury a pipe. Now Evan's rocking this thing in. Mike's just sitting on the machine. Mike's back still hurting, but yeah, looks good. Graded this in this scorching October heat. I think I'm joking and I'm not. Rocked it in, ready to go. Gotta put wire in tomorrow morning. We don't like to put wire in the day before because people can trip on it and get hurt and then it's no good. So yep, other than that, ready to go. Do 10 yards, order back probably another 7, 6, 7 and run this all the way. Probably even just do another 10, however far we need to get to the approach. I don't know. It looks about like, if that's 10 there, looks about like 10. I don't know. We'll have to see when we get there. But so we're gonna clean up, go home.
Okay, so if you guys are all wondering where Connor was,
I've been right here the whole time in spirit.
He's been right here the whole time in spirit. I would say something wrong about it, but Evan took this much time off for vacation.
I know, it was
about the same
vacation, you know.
Yeah. So
Go that way with it, Evan.
we flipping it.
Yeah, kind of jump on the other side of it. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Are we gonna have to retrain you?
No, I actually came back better.
I don't know about that.
Hey, go
Yeah.
up there.
What's up?
Down there. I heard you've been finishing concrete. Bet you that looked good.
Oh, it did.
We're gonna have to put that to the test, aren't we?
There's Smelly Cat. Smelly Cat, Smelly Cat. Poor Mike. As you can see, my side is all edged up. Mike's over here moving at snurtle pace.
Mike's not in his prime no more. Leave him alone, dude.
See if you guys on the internet can figure out what a snurtle is.
What?
A snurtle, because that's what Mike is. He's moving at snurtle pace, whooping ass, man.
Snurtle.
Dude, he's a snurtle. You can't tell him.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, now we're gonna have to cut that out. That way the YouTube people can f***ing notice. Hey, do we have the groover out?
Yeah.
Where are you going to the string?
Wherever you want me to go with it.
Okay.
You got a knife on you? Cut this shit. It's so nice. Bitch, which way? Up.
Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, I really hope everybody saw that, because that was pathetic. First day back. It's like a
That was bad.
T-Grizzly first
That
day
was
out.
really bad.
It was really bad.
I'm grabbing the groover. I'll be right back.
See what I got to deal with, YouTube people? Horrible. Reached our halfway point. No, not really halfway. Almost halfway. Probably gonna hit these first 2 or 3 blocks again, just because it's a little wet, but you gotta stay ahead of it. So probably hit it again, and there's like a little spot there. I don't know if you can see that, but touch them again to get all the little ripples out and lines and trail marks and everything. And then broom it like a bunch of brooming people. So okay. Set this house on fire, baby. Things turn into cinder and smoke. This house is mighty cold. Ignore Mike's grunts. He's just old. PSA. Do you hear any grunting going on in this episode of Ortmann Concrete in action? Old man Mike. Isn't that right, Mikey?
Yeah.
Yep. Didn't I tell you stop looking at my butt? Gonna have to call jungle law on you people. What do you think this is? I ain't no eye candy. I mean, I am, but not for you people. Shout out to Avery. Even though she was a jerk to me this morning. You believe that? Getting abused. Out here slaving away all day. Avery's being mean to me, using me. I don't know how long I have, because this stupid thing says 18%, but Evan just went behind us and broomed it all. It all looks good. Grooves look good. fancy shit here. Anybody else make broom finish look this good? Look the straightness. It's all freehand grooves by yours truly. Freehand grooves. Straightness. Freehand grooves. I just want everybody to know that. I gotta tell myself I'm good because nobody else tells me. So, alright, well, concrete's on its way for this for another 10. Now it's 10, another 10. And yeah. So we'll be getting her done.
Coffee. All right, well, I guess you guys did okay. 20 yards. Not too bad. Mike, she's backing out. She's gonna run your ass over. Okay. We'll do a quick tour. Here she comes, Brian. Okay, well, believe it or not, that's 10 yards and the truck had no more. We had to make it work. That's probably right here, Mike. Put a knee board there. Get her going. We don't want it to hold water right here. So, all right, this is what we did this morning. From there, up there, 10 yards. And then that's 7.5 yards. Pretty big. So, yep. It'll work. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, you need to like, share, and subscribe because we need more than 36 viewers. No, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
You can't use that.
No, you can't. You can just beat me up. You took these tools right here. Unbelievable.